Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Laurie and welcome to my channel. So as you can see, while I was at my mom's house, she dyed my roots and I love it. But this weekend I'm going to do these brows because they're too dark. At least for this hairstyle and how I want my whole look to go. I was really contemplating whether I should go back to my natural hair color or to stay like light haired. And I think that for the summertime, I really like a light color. And for the wintertime, I like a darker color. So maybe I'll change my mind once fall starts rolling around. I have more growth and everything. But yeah, I was in much need of some hair care because my roots were grown out to like here. I'm sure you could see and compare to the previous vlog.
It's a nice gloomy day.
I have a confession to make. I'm a snacker. I love to snack, and that's my problem. But right now, I'm gonna snack on this. We got these at Aldi's. They're like $1.99. I don't know. They're so easy to eat. You just grab some crackers and eat them. Good morning vlog. Happy Saturday. It's been a good week. It's the weekend now and just gonna have a weekend at home maybe, or maybe we'll go do something. I don't know. We're pretty chill. We just go with the flow. So, I mean, I got a few chores that I need to take care of, so I'll do that first and then hopefully, if I have time, I will play some Red Dead Redemption 2 because it's got really good vibes. Besides all the violence, it's really fun and really chill. You just ride around in a horse and talk to people, and you get to change your clothes. I really like it. But yeah, so I'm just here. I'm gonna take care of these chores. Ryan's not here. He went to go get his facial done. Yes, he gets facials, and that's why he's so handsome. But he was handsome even before he did those. So anyway, I'm stuck on laundry duty and we have a huge pile of laundry to fold. So let's go ahead and get started on that because if I don't do that, then I definitely won't have time to play Red Dead.
You good, Dutch? Of course. Listen, I know you don't think. Get away from this! Keep pushing!
Yeah, this kind of reminds me of Peaky Blinders.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, I almost dropped this tree.
I think I need to use that. Wait, how do I get down?
You gotta do good for the
Wait, what?
Let's
I don't know.
drink a potion. Or drink a health. Yeah, there you go.
I don't know how to crouch down.
I think you press R1.
I died.
Bill died.
Oh, Bill died? Oh, shoot. Alright guys, after rotting on the couch all weekend long playing Red Dead, I'm going to make my famous lentil soup. It's a high protein soup. It's got ground beef, lentils, chickpeas, and a lot of veggies. We have the ground beef, garlic, tomatoes, onions, stock and broth, lentils, cilantro, carrots, and I don't usually use canned potatoes, but I have them, so I'm just gonna use them. And I love using kidney beans in them and the garbanzo beans. So good, chickpeas, whatever you wanna call them. But yeah, that's all. And I'll leave a link down below what recipe I like to follow.